welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing? It's so good to be back. I know it's been a while since I last updated my channel. I've just been so busy, and it's sometimes not fun to have two kids at home while you have to work and you have to go shopping at the same time. So anyway, I have a lot of bags that I hope to share with you soon. But today I'm gonna show you this new bag that I bought from Chanel. I know this is a small bag. Again, a small bag. I know I talked about how much I need a big bag to pack all my kids' stuff when I go out, but when I see this in store, I just can't resist it. It's so cute and it's so new that new season, definitely you don't even see this on their website. Without further ado, I'm gonna show you the bag. See the button already here, the buttons. This is a very classic and also vintage looking bag. Oh my god, here it is. This is the new bag that I bought, and there's no name for it, unfortunately. It's just called a clutch with chain. There's no name or whatsoever on the tag. The salesperson, like, she even looked into their system to find the name of it, but it's because it's so new, they just don't know whether there's a special name for this bag, but it's seasonal, definitely. But you can see the leather is just glowing, and it's like a glazing leather, but it's not that shiny. It's definitely not like patent, but and it has this natural looking glow. Beautiful black color with gold chain, gold hardware, and look at the buttons on the top. And the reason why I fell in love with this bag immediately is because the top handle. You can see right here. So you can hold the bag like this, or you can wear it like a crossbody, and you can also wrap this chain to make it like a shoulder bag, like what you usually do with the wallet on chain. And I like how this buckle, this is a classic double C buckle, and it's very roomy. It's really like a size of a mini classic flap. I can definitely put my iPhone 11 in it. I think you probably can put iPhone Plus in it as well. And you can see there's some built-in card holders. Very roomy. And then there's a zipper here. You can also put stuff in here at the front pocket. Oh, nice. And I know there's a back pocket as well. So this bag is really look like a wallet on chain plus a mini classic flap, a combination of both. And you can see the new CC logo. It's like, this is a new one, it's updated. You can see there's a very small trademark of Chanel here on the left side here corner. So from here you can see this is brand new. This is 2020. So I'm gonna show you when I wear this how it looks like. So this is the top handle. So you can definitely wear like this. It's pretty cute. But I feel like this chain is way too long. However, when I do the crossbody, it's actually longer than I expected. So I would love to have it in here if I could, but this is like way too long. You might have noticed that it took me a couple of days to record this part. My previous part was interrupted by my kids. So I tried a couple of ways during the week to figure out how I can best fit this on my body. When I do a crossbody way, when I wear a crossbody. So I definitely know that I can actually like do it this way, crisscross kind of under the cover. Just like what you do with the wallet on chain, the classic wallet on chain. So then, ta-da, it's shorter, right? And it's right here at the top handle. So you can wear it this way, actually. I think it's not bad. It's a shoulder bag. And honestly, I have no way to really wear a crossbody. This is a little bit disappointing. Like this is like shorter if I wear it. Crossbody, it's like what, a chest bag. Maybe I go out like, it's actually not that bad, right? It's not that bad, especially when you travel, that you want to hold your bag in front of you. Okay, so the other way, like I said, is a shoulder bag. Oh, I really love this bag, it's so pretty. Or, you know, you can maybe tie it. So it's longer. Again, I'm 5'4", so this is longer for me, but if you're tall, then it won't be a problem. So I can tie it like this. This is probably gonna give me the perfect length I like. Yeah, kind of. So maybe I tie too much. Yeah, so anyway, this is the newest clutch on chain bag, clutch with chain bag. So the cost for this bag is $3,000, and I don't think it's that bad, especially when you compare this to the classic mini classic flap. I think they're definitely the same size, and this bag is just as big as that one. Like you can put a lot of stuff in it. However, this bag is considered to be a kind of wallet on chain. That's why it's cheaper. The mini classic flap, it's probably what, 3,800 already? 38 or 36. I don't remember. But I own 2 of them already, so I did not even think about to buy another one. So this is kind of special and I like it, although this is seasonal. So yeah, so if you like it, go to your Chanel boutique to see if your sales associate can get you one just like this. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope my next video can be sooner. I do have a couple of bags that I haven't opened this entire year because honestly, I just don't have too many places to go with my new bags. So I know Thanksgiving is coming up, everyone. So I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving and be safe and healthy. Don't go to the places with too many people, and make sure you wear a mask when you go out. So take care, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.